Hello, everyone. I'm Lisa Fitzpatrick. I'm also known as the Internet Lady, bringing you practical solutions connecting the digital world to your passion and purpose. So today I have a little secret to share with you that's been buzzing around my head for a while. So you know those moments when you've crafted the perfect Facebook post, perhaps a quote that inspired you, or a picture of a beautiful rose garden, or like my friend here, this is hysterical. Y'all, I have 8 kids, so I certainly understand that mom. But what if you posted the perfect post, but then you sit there wondering if your friends will stumble upon it amidst the sea of posts in their feed? Well, today we're going to move from that frustration to you knowing your friends and family will see your post. So remember the days of receiving a letter specifically addressed to you? Now, I'm not talking about junk mail. I'm talking about the days of letters and cards, handwritten pieces of postal mail. Remember the delight of seeing your name on the envelope and knowing someone has sent you something personally? So in our increasingly digital world, I believe that we can still capture some of that old school charm. Now imagine, instead of dropping the letter in a mailbox and hoping it finds its way, you could hand deliver it straight to their door. Your message instantly landing exactly where it should be, to the audience it was intended for. So here's our little secret, the @ sign. Wow. So whether you are on your page or on your feed, you know this part that's what's going on, what's on your mind? Well, you just click there to start your post. I'm sure you all know that. We're going to use the @ sign. Just like how you would address an envelope on Facebook, you can use the @ before their name in their post. So if I wanted my husband Danny to see my post about a lemon cake recipe I just tried and loved, I simply would write @ Danny Fitzpatrick. And look, he starts to show up. These are the people that you can tag in your post. And just like that, he's going to know that this is a post about something he needs to pay attention to. So putting @ Danny before the message, instantly, as soon as I post this, Danny gets a notification, kind of a digital knock at the door, if you will, inviting him to view our post. It's as simple as pie. In this case, lemon cake. See my post about lemon cake and tip of the day. So now when I post this, instantly Danny's going to get a notification. You know, there's something magical about this digital age we live in. It can seem overwhelming at times, but with every ping, with every @ we're simply finding new ways to connect with each other and make sure no one misses out on those special moments. I'm going to show you another little trick. If you have a page or a group, you can use @ everyone for your group or @ followers if you have a page. Facebook allows you to use that up to once a day in your groups and in your pages. And everyone who is in your group or is a follower on your page will get a notice. Notice where I put the tip of the day here and I put @ followers. That means everyone on my page is going to get a copy of this. So go on, give it a try. Let's keep the conversation flowing and the connections growing. Who knows? You might just become the postman of your little social media circle. Isn't technology delightful when you've got the right tricks up your sleeve? I'm hoping that our journey together, a tip every day, will help you connect the digital world to your own passion and purpose. Until next time, friends, happy posting. I'm out. This is Lisa Fitzpatrick, the Internet Lady.